Okay, here's a very quick demo of the external audio input into the noise generator input for the MKS 80. So I've got the Prophet VS playing this pattern, the vocal sound, and the Prophet VS is being sent to an auxiliary send that's plugged into the external input mod on the MKS 80 that replaces the noise generator as a choice of waveform on VCO2. So if I just stop that sound just now, here's the MKS 80, and it's playing a pattern, that just has some sort of random notes in it. And I've got the filter set to the Jupiter 6 bandpass filter. Okay, that's just like you hear like the filter sound, and then if I turn up key follow, it starts moving the cutoff about, and envelope mod lets you modulate the filter cutoff there. So we'll turn that down. If I send the mixer over to VCO2, which is the noise, then I need to start the Prophet VS again. So that's the Prophet VS. That's the Prophet VS going through the MKS filters. So at the moment there's no key follow, it's just going through the bandpass filters, and they're all just at the same cutoff regardless of the note in the pattern. So the pattern's just triggering rhythmically. You can change the VCA envelope. You can apply filter envelope. And I think the best bit is that you can apply key follow. Let's bring in the original sound with it. On the Prophet. And there's obviously different modes. Jupiter 6 low, band, high pass, and then Jupiter 8.